What's going on, guys? Marky Williams from the YouTube channel Online Certification Course. Here I got the 4-volume packet of cybersecurity. Come check it out. Get certified. Go ahead and freelance those skills out and start getting paid. But first, the intro. In this online certification course, you'll be able to discover security vulnerabilities across an entire network by using network hacking techniques and vulnerability scanning. This course will cover the use of custom router firmware to provide you with better network security services. You'll be able to architect your network for maximum security and prevent local and remote attacks. You can even get certified and start your own freelance services. Hey, what's going on? This is Marky Williams. Welcome to my channel Online Certification Course. Enjoy the tutorial and the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Please comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in and I could personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. In this cybersecurity online course, you will learn the various types of firewalls that are available and what threats each help mitigate. This cybersecurity course will cover firewalls on all platforms including Windows, Mac OS, X, and Linux. For all types of scenarios, this course would explore in detail wireless security, the configurations that are required for maximum security and why, how Wi-Fi is hacked, and how to mitigate those attacks. Covering everything from encryption weaknesses to evil twins and RF isolation. You will learn to use tools like Wireshark, TCP dump to discover and identify potential hackers, malware, and other adversaries that might be lurking on someone's network. Once you get through the network security chapter and onto the details of how we are tracked online by corporations, nation states, the ISP, and others, you will understand the techniques used like zombie, super cookies, browsers, fingerprinting, and how browser profiling works so third parties can establish who you are online. This cyber security course will cover the largest risk online, that is the doorway into your system, which is your browser. You will learn how to best reduce the attack surface of the browser and harden it for maximum security and privacy. There will be a chapter that will cover how to best use methods of authentication including password and multi-factor authentication, soft token and hard tokens. You will learn the best password manager to use and why, how passwords are cracked, and how to mitigate the cracking. This course is designed for personal and home cybersecurity and privacy. Most of the topics applied in the same way to a business, but the course is delivered as if an individual for personal cybersecurity practices. It is recommended that you watch Volume 1 of this complete course before watching this Volume 2. Although it is not required, my bonus to you is I will give you the links to Volume 1, 3, and 4 if you want to make it complete. You could take this volume as a standalone course. You should have a basic understanding of networking concepts. Please note this is volume 2 of 4 of the complete course. After the completion of all 4 volumes, you will know more than 80% of security professionals, government and law enforcement agents, and even expert hackers about maintaining security and privacy. The course curriculum will cover some of the following. Of course, the introduction, goals and learning objectives, firewalls, network monitoring for threats, search engine and privacy, how we are tracked. Many thanks for taking some time out to check my tutorial out. As I have mentioned, there is much more to this certification course. The links will be in the description below. You can always shop around in those links as well for other courses you may like. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. As always, hit that like button if you find this tutorial informative so I can continue making more content, and comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can send you a personal link to check out. Please feel free to browse my channel and check out the tutorials I have prepared. Many thanks once again. It's Marky Williams, and I'm out.